Welcome back to a brand new video. I will open some Pokemon cards today. Ah, brilliant! Stars again! Nice! Gold card. Energy, of course. Chanko, Cloves, Floatzel, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Chimecho, Gibble, Turtwig, Grimer as the reverse holo, and Moltres holo. Oh, that's a nice Moltres card actually. I like that one, I am happy with that one. I will sleeve it actually, because why the hell not? I like the card. Gold card. Gold. Energy. This one. Pachirisu. Choice Belt. Trapinch. Piplup. Shroomish. Purloin. Duskull, Marnie's Pride, and War Madam as the rare. Next pack, oh yeah, beautiful code card again. Leaf Energy, Grottle, Prinplup, Monferno, that are all the starters. Electabuzz, or the first evolution of the starters I mean. Howluka, Buizel, Gibble, Trapinch, reverse holo is Floatzel, and rare is Liepard. That's not that good. The second to last pack. What the hell is this? I have never seen that before. Wait, I know. We will see at the end. What the hell? I'm confused. What the hell is that? Seriously, I never saw that before. I know nothing about the set, by the way. Just so you know, so this is a surprise. Beartic, Fracture, Dusclops, Guest Form, Tro, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Shroomish a reverse holo, and Infernape holo, and oh, it's a V-Star card. What the hell is that? Seriously. It's a nice design though. It's but what can I do with it? I am confused. I will yeah, I don't know what I will do with it. I have to research that one. The last pack, people. Sorry, but yeah, it ends sometimes because I'm not a millionaire yet. So I can not buy infinite Pokemon cards. The code card, last pack Magic maybe. Psychic Energy, Fracture, Team Yell, Marnie's Pride, Duskull, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, and Dedenne. Oh, full art card. And there is one extra card after this. I like this card too, actually. A lot of nice designs in this set, actually. Yeah, this one is going to get a sleeve too. Yes. And the last one is Kling Clang Ding Ding Dong. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I hope I messed up my outro. And I hope to see you again next time. Ciao.